Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this eye-catching, mouth-watering and tempted looking fish pie. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here are the ingredients that I'll be needing for the meat pie. Over here is 1 kilo of all-purpose flour. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of milk, and 500 gram of margarine. That's for the dough. And also here is for the filling. I have my fish here. I used mackerel fish, 1 large mackerel fish, 2 carrots, 2 medium potatoes, 1 medium onion. Here are the seasoning powders. I have oregano, basil, black pepper, nutmeg, my garlic powder, curry powder, thyme, and 2 seasoning cubes here. Okay, so I'll also be needing 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I'll be using this corn flour to thicken the filling. And here is my oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use any type of oil of your choice. So now, first of all, I'm going to prepare the dough and then set it in the fridge for 15 minutes. By that time, I'll be preparing the filling. Dough is forming up, as you can see. So now I'm going to transfer it on the surface, my working surface, for easy kneading. Okay, as always, I'm going to sanitize my working surface with a mixture of vinegar and water. Then I sprinkle a little bit of flour. I'm going to transfer the dough so that I'll mix it up very well. I'm not comfortable with this container. If you have a round container, that will be the best. I'm not needing too much here. I'm just making sure to gather everything together. This is what I'm having now. So I'm going to put it in here, cover it with a cling film, and then place it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. The dough has been placed in the fridge, so as we are waiting for it for 15 minutes, I'm going to start preparing the filling. As you can see, I've already diced my carrots and the potatoes. into smaller pieces. Okay, this is onion. So now my grapeseed oil, not too much, just like 2 tablespoons is okay. Allow it to heat up. Now I'm going to preheat my oven on 180. Yes. The dough is out of the fridge now, so I'm going to knead it for a while and then start to shape out my fish pie. Here I have 1 egg which I'll be using to glaze and seal the meat pie. This is the remaining dough, so I decided to shape it out using this meat pie shaper for my little prince, the only prince among the princesses. Now the fish pie is ready, and this is how it looks like from the inside. You can see how juicy and moist it is. You can enjoy this with any drink of your choice. I'll leave the ingredients in the description area in case you want to give it a try. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Please kindly give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video and also smash on the subscribe button if you've not yet done that. Thank you so much. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.